Hey guys, welcome back. In the last lecture, we fixed the DOM exception that was failed to execute remove child or node, and we also fixed the bootstrap close alert issue or alert close issue. In this lecture, we're gonna fix one more bug that is not giving any error or warning, but that is not the good practice to do. Okay, for example, let's see if I refresh the page, you can see that the alert is blinking here for a few seconds or for milliseconds. Okay, so if you refresh this page, you can see the alert is displayed before all the question cards loaded here. Okay, if you see that again, so you can see that hold for a few seconds. Okay, now if you select any of the tag, then you can see again it is showing. If you select the rails, then you can see again it is blink for few seconds. Okay, it is again for seconds, and if you click on the all again, it is for the seconds. And now if you can verify it by refreshing the page, you can see it is again seeing on the browser for few seconds. Okay, and this is not the good practice. So what we have done right now, so just switch to the project directory and you can see into the question list component. Okay, in the question list component, you can see that we are just checking that if the question list length is greater than 0 or we have at least one question, then just display the question cards, else we are rendering this empty question message. Okay, and this is the problem. What we need to do to solve this now or to fix this, that we need to set one more state, that is, and based on that state's value we need to show this alert, or we need to decide that this alert is visible, should be visible or not. Okay, so what we need to do here, so just add one more state variable inside this question list component. So just press the enter here, and here you can see, here you can add one more state constant variable or state constant, that is it show alert. Okay, and then set is show alert. Okay, and just set the default value for it, and you can use youth state, and default value should be false. Okay, so we just set this value to false. Now what we need to do, we need to separate this empty question message component from this condition. Okay, so just to remove this from here. Okay, and here you can add this simply a string, or a blank string here. Okay, and now what we need to do here, just add another JSX syntax, and here we will use this is show alert. Okay, if it is true, then we need to display this element, or we need to display this component. Okay, so save this now, and along with this we need to do some more changes, that we need to set this to true, because by default it is false, so we will not see this alert. For example, let's refresh the page now. Okay, so when you refresh the page, you will see that now it is not blinking for anymore, है ना? And if you click on the Ruby, you can see that this is not blinking. If you click on the Rails, it is not blinking. If you click on the Bootstrap, the alert is not showing anymore. If you click on the JavaScript, the alert is not showing anymore. So what we need to do now, we need to set this alerts state to true if the questions list in the response we are getting is 0. Okay, then we need to make it to true. Okay, so what we can do here, so you can see that we are using the fetch API two places. So we can do, after we setting the question list length. Okay, so here you can do if set, or if data dot length, first data dot length is 0. Okay, and then what we can add here, set it show alert to true. Okay, if length is 0, then we can set it to true, else just set it to false. Okay, so set show alert to false. Okay, and just use the same piece of code or condition at the first fetch API call inside the fetch question list function. Okay, and here we can do the same thing. Now if you save this and refresh the browser, just to refresh the page. Okay, and you can see that after refreshing the page, we are not getting that alert message for any more second. Okay, and now if you click on the Ruby, you will see all the question with Ruby. When you click on the Rails, you will see all the question with Rails, and same as for React. And now if you click on Bootstrap, you see the alert. Okay, and if you close this, and if you see select the all or Ruby, we are again seeing the questions. And if you close the JavaScript, you can again see that we are seeing the alert with the tag JavaScript that questions not found. Now if you click on the Bootstrap, we are again seeing that no question found with the tag Bootstrap. Okay, and if you click on the Rails, then it is working again. So that blinking of the empty alert message has been fixed. Okay, so you need to do that. Okay, and also guys, I created a repository already for this code base, and I will share the link of the repository into the description of the lecture, so just check out that. And if you have any doubt or query, just let me know. So thanks for watching this. Let's give this lecture a try at your end, and we will meet into the next lecture. Till then, tata, goodbye, take care, and stay safe.